Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo and Loula to celebrate Christmas. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Pocoyo. Let's start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Next, I draw his hat. He's wearing Santa's hat. How cute! Now, I'll draw his body. Let's add his arms like this. Then, I draw his legs. Look, he's wearing boots. Pocoyo is standing on a gift box. Let's draw the gift box like this. Next to Pocoyo, I'll draw Loula. Let's start with his eyes and nose like this. On his head, I'll draw reindeer antlers. Isn't that fun? Loula is a dog and a very loyal friend. Then, I'll draw his two floppy ears and his body. Let's add his four legs like this. Next, I'm going to draw a Christmas tree. First, I'll draw a star on top sparkly and bright. Then, I'll draw the trunk of the tree. Now, let's add some Christmas ornaments to make it festive. I'll use this black marker to outline everything and make the drawing more visible. Let's color Pocoyo. I'll use red for his outfit and black for his boots. For the gift box, I'll use yellow and green. I'll color Pocoyo's skin with a cream color. let's color Loula. I'll use orange to paint his body. Finally, I'll color the Christmas tree. I'll use green for the tree and bright colors for the ornaments. Our Christmas drawing looks amazing. Great job, everyone! Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.